What's good, YouTube? Ted, Jen here. Let's open up some packs. Team of the season's out. I've only got one though. It's kind of weak, but EA. Oh my goodness. And already the pack is glitched. No shocker there. Man, this is but I'm not gonna open up the 25k packs because I know those are just awful. I mean, they've never been good. These are good though. I like them. They even treat me well. Really. Wait, what? Alright, and we get... You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take those, and... Oh, I guess I didn't have that. Weak. Alright. Oh my goodness, this is a joke. Hey, EA, good servers. Ooh, way to go. It's gonna kick me out of the store and I'll have to go back in. I mean, I want to talk about a turn off for the viewers. Jeez. Oh my god. This is a joke. It's a joke. They're a joke. Really? I better get a blue. Oh, wow. Really? Oh. Hey, there we go. Hey. Hey. Hey, here we go. That's my second pack and it took me 2 minutes. Sweet. Really? He's good. How much does he sell for? Oh yeah, that's right, nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, don't need any of that. Ooh. Ugly. Ugly, ugly. I think we got 5 more, guys. Can I get a blue, please? Oh god, that's awful. Uy, uy, uy. That's not what we're looking for. Oh, that sells. Nope. Oh my god. Can I get a blue or a black card? I've done this 3 times. I didn't record them, but I got Team of the Season, DeVry, Inform Aramenko, and the whatever the other. What is that? Oh, yeah. Good pack, good pack. That's what I was looking for. No, exactly what I was looking for. I mean, Etihad. Wait a minute. Really? Silver? What the heck? I didn't have it. Why is it a silver? Whatever. Anyways, can we get a blue? Please, EA. I just want a blue like everyone. Like, yay. That could have been Meyer, but no. Nope. Nope. I see how it is. I see how they want to be. And that's just awful. I mean, hey. Oh, great. This is going on YouTube. Yeah, EA, it's going on YouTube. Don't you want people to open up packs? Do you want people to open packs? Now alright. 5'5", 28 shooting, 92 pace. Dang. And he looks like an absolute moron. I don't know, I'm just addicted to keeping the club items for some reason. Alright, hey! Second to last pack, because I'm going to open up a 7.5k. And I'll probably get the blue in that pack. Yes! My second blue. Hey, give me the worst one. That's fine. Who else do we get? Oh, he's purple. Alright, whatever. Schneider, Soldai. Hey, Nat Co. My boy Nat Nat. There's the others, guys. So now, let's put him in for... Who do I don't even care? Bonnie. I'm not freaking... Oh my god. Yeah, let's stick him in for Bonnie. Bonnie, quick sell. But yes, boys, we got one. We actually freaking got one. Dang. Alright. Sweet. Quick sell that. Alright. Alright. I'm feeling it. 7.5k cheese, boys. Here we go. If I get 2 back-to-back blues, especially in 7.5. Alright. Back to the old freaking garbage. Not even to keep anything, but thanks for watching. We got a blue again. Second one in around 200k. Yep, 200k probably worth the packs. 2 blues and 2 black cards, which is pretty fresh, but I'll try to get you guys another pack opening tomorrow. Peace.